yourself. So won't you take it? I feel like for the first time I am not faking. Fingers on my buttons and now you're playing. Master of anticipation, don't you keep it on to yourself.
Just a touch of your love is enough to knock me off of my feet, oh just a touch of your love, just a touch of your love, just a touch of your love is enough to take control of my whole body. Just a touch of your love, just a touch of your love, just a touch of your love is enough to knock me off of my feet, oh just a touch of your love, just a touch of your love, just a touch of your love is enough to take control of my whole body. Just a touch of your love, just a touch of your love. Photograph with no t-shirt on. Why you making me wait so long? I promise to keep this a secret I never tell, but don't you keep it all to yourself. So won't you take it? I feel like for the first time I am not faking. Fingers on my buttons and now you're playing. Master of anticipation, don't you keep it on to yourself. Just a touch of your love is enough to knock me off of my feet, oh just a touch of your love, just a touch of your love, just a touch of your love is enough to take control of my whole body. Just a touch of your love, just a touch, just a touch, just a touch, just a touch, just a touch of your love is enough to knock me off of my feet, oh just a touch of your love, just a touch of your love, just a touch of your love is enough to take control of my whole body. Just a touch of your love, just a touch of your love. And now my whole week is golden. Can you see me glowing? That's how I feel. And I'm not afraid to fade into emotions, 'cause I know that this could be something real.
To the universe, so stay with me, 'cause I got the keys, babe. Don't wanna wake up one day wishing that we'd done more. I wanna live fast, never look back, that's what we're here for. Don't wanna wake up one day wondering where it all go, 'cause we'll be home before we know. I wanna hear you singing it. Mama, don't stress your mind, we coming home tonight. Hey, mom, we're gonna be alright. Dry those eyes, we'll be back in the morning when the sun starts to rise. So mama, don't stress your mind. So mama, don't stress your mind.
Let's a round of applause for our 20 equally gorgeous and stunning candidates and their opening production number.
Primavera Vivo 20 Lagunoy Camarines Sur. Maria Angela Maniego Rodrigo 22 Magarao Camarines Sur. Janelle Rada Delfino 19 Lagunoy Camarines Sur.
Bring home the boys and strap metal the tanks. Make your career out of
Beverly Peña 25 Diet Camarines Norte.
we are wearing black. There's a rock. Our spirits have to know we pass. Take the world back from a heart attack. One maniac at a time.
Hanakino, 21, Province of Catanduanes.
For the song to start, so dance alone to the beat of your heart. Hey, young blood, doesn't it feel like
Elaine Ingo Pascual, 23, Higaon, Camarines Sur.
you like a remix? And I'll raise you like a phoenix. Wearing all vintage misery. No, I think it looked a little better.
Sigrid Grace Flores 25 Province of Catanduanes.
Raise you like a phoenix. You're on your war page.
Paula Madarieta Ortega 22 representing Ligao City, Albay.
Oh, it's begun. Release the dove. Surrender. War is won.
Maria Lina Neri Prongaso 25 from the city of Iriga.
War is won. Oh, it's begun. Release the dove. Surrender.
Ismar 22 from Catanduanes.
Release the dove. Surrender. Hey, young blood.
Trisha Antoral 17 City of Naga.
I'm gonna change you like a remix. Then I'll raise you like a
Joy Miluisa Arcilia, 19, from your very own city of Naga.
little better of me. I'm gonna change you like a remix.
Keisha Clauden Chua 24 City of Legazpi. Ang Rita Marasigan 21 Diet Camarines Norte. Julia Gunoman 21 City of Iriga. Camarines Sur. Naira R. Badges, 20 Tabaco City, Albay. Trixia Georgia Ganan, 19, City of Naga.
Maria Kayla Adami Magallanes, 17, Ragay, Camarines Sur.
Azucena Sideria Quintana, 18, City of Naga.
Thank you very much, candidates. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the man behind the smiles of the city of Naga, an icon of hard work, commitment, and genuine leader, our much-loved City Mayor, Honorable John Garcia Bongat.
Maray na banggi po sa Tuya Kabos. Good evening. First of all, I'd like to thank all of you for being here. The Exicom, headed by Councilor Sunny Ranyola, and the members of the Exicom, my wife Para, Miss Jenny Harris, Attorney Jet Vergara, Miss Rai Rentoy, and Mr. Mike Pawig, and Mr. Toti Rocha. The city officials, Councilors Vidal Castillo, Councilor Badi del Castillo, and the rest of the city officials, and to all of you, and all the sponsors, especially to the Board of Judges who have a difficult task of choosing this year's Best in Gown and Best in Swimsuit. So let's all enjoy the night, and salamat po. Mabuhay po kita. Viva la Virgen. Salamat po. Up music.
Ladies and gentlemen, our host for tonight, Miss Bicolandia 2009, third runner-up, Mutya ng Ibalong 2010, second runner-up, Miss Aviation Philippines 2015, first runner-up, Ambassadress to the United States, events host and pageant enthusiast, the lovely and the queerly beautiful. A round of applause to Miss Barbie Luis Resoles.
Maray na banggi sa Satuya Agabos. Good evening. It is my pleasure to be with you tonight as we witness a spectacle here in Miss Bicolandia 2017 fashion show, and of course the preliminary swimsuit and gown competition. Again, our warmest applause to the candidates for such astounding segment. And also, thank you very much to our mayor. Thank you so much. Tonight, we shall witness our candidates transform into varied royal goddesses via fashion show, dubbed as Goddess Reborn, showcase their sexy bodies in the preliminary swimsuit, and of course, be inspired by Michael Cinco's impalpable dream of Versailles in their evening gown parade. This year's Miss Bicolandia beauty pageant has its theme, Contemporary Bicolana. Specifically, it hinges our four E's that will capture the ideal woman that we are looking for. Of course, the empowering, emerging, engaging, and emerging lady. Well, that leads us now to the reading of our criteria for judging. All right. Now first, the best Goddess Reborn attire. For the creativity and style, 50%. The adherence to theme, 30%. Craftsmanship, is 20%, a total of 100%. And the prizes for the winners are sponsored by Attorney Jojo Gaite and family. Let's give them a round of applause, please. And now for the swimsuit and evening gown. For the beauty of face, 50%. Beauty of figures, 20%. Poise and personality, 15%. Carriage is 15%, a total of 100%. For the best designer for evening gown, originality and craftsmanship is 50%. Design, 30%. Comfort and appropriateness is 20%. Of course, we would like to make a clarification that tonight's scores comprise only 50% of their final scores. Again, tonight's scores comprise only 50% of their final scores. The other 50% will come from the judges in the evening of the final competition on September 6, 2017. That's going to happen at the JMR Coliseum. And now with this set of criteria comes a very few and select group of people who were given the difficult task of finding the best. And so allow us to introduce them to you, ladies and gentlemen. Our first judge is a director of sales and marketing, assignee of Enable Hospitality Management for the Carmen Hotel, downtown Nagas Boutique Hotel. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Ms. Tess Bailosis. Our second judge is an internist and pulmonologist, also a consultant staff at Mother Seton Hospital, NACC Doctors Hospital, St. John Hospital, and Bicol Medical Center. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Charissa Divina Gracia. Our third judge is a principal architect of GPAD Studio, an architectural and design company responsible for the design of the Porta Maria, Bicol Access Health Centrum, Museo ni Jesse Robrado, and the Peña Francia Museum. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome architect Gian Paolo Priela. Our fourth judge is a presiding judge of the Regional Trial Court of Branch 29 and an executive judge of the Regional Trial Court Libmanan Administrative Area. Ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Cecilia R. Borja Soler. Our last judge is a managing director of Bicol Best Trade Sales Center Incorporated, the past president of Rotary Club of Naga, and the district governor nominee of Rotary International District 3820. Ladies and gentlemen, our chairman of the board, Everett Olivan. Thank you, judges, for accepting our our invitation, rather. All right. Now, please allow me to do our customary greetings to our guests and sponsors. To our officials of Naga City, headed by our City Mayor Honorable John G. Bongat, the City Vice Mayor Honorable Nelson Ligacion, our City Councilor Honorable Jose Sonny Ranyola, Honorable Joselito Lito del Rosario, Honorable Salvador del Castillo, the Miss Bicolandia Beauty Pageant Council, our chairman, of course, the City Councilor Dr. Jose Ranyola, the members, of course, Miss Farah Bongat, Mr. Mike Pawik, Miss Rai Rentoy, Miss Jenny Harris, Attorney Raquel Jet Vergara, and the head of the Secretariat, Mr. Gil De La Torre, the Secretary to the Sanggunian. Also, we would like to acknowledge Mr. Alan Riondanga, the City Chief, City Events Protocol and Public Information Office. Also, the Miss Bicolandia pageant, beauty pageant, is presented to you by the City Government of Naga, co-presented by the PLDT, and of course in cooperation with our platinum sponsors, the Generica Drugstore and Coca-Cola FEMSA. Of course, thank you so much. Palapakan naman natin sila. Thank you so much. Alright. Medyo mahaba yung list of our sponsors. But tonight we shall see them transform our ladies into stunning goddesses as they fashion their majestic beauty, wriggle, and glamour. Let us welcome back our 20 official candidates as they bring us into a different world as Goddess Reborn.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. First champion, I hear my name, grasping to a life. Life is happy, but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah.
Candidate number 1 is Hannah Lay Aquino. She's 21 years old from Catanduanes, and she represents Aphrodite, the goddess of love and beauty. Her designer is Mitch Galura.
Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the Let's go back to when we were young.
Candidate number 2 is Janelle Delfino. She is 19 years old
Let's go back to
from Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. And she represents Iris, the goddess of rainbow. The designer is Ronnie Visitacion.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a ride.
Candidate number 3 is Sandra Vivo. She is 20 years old from Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. She represents Calypso, the sea nymph who live on the island of Ogija, said to be the daughter of Titan Atlas. Her designer is Kokoy Ebio. Candidate number 4 is Fabelin Peña. She is 25 years old from Daet, Camarines Norte. And she represents Celine, goddess of the moon, sometimes referred to us as Luna. Her designer is Francis Victorino.
We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a ride, Savannah.
Candidate number 5 is Maria Angela Rodrigo. She is 22 years old from Magarao, Camarines Sur. And she represents Eos, Titanus, and the goddess of the dawn. Her designer is Ruel Velasco.
Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land.
Candidate number 6 is Elaine Pascual. She is 22 years old from Tigaon, Camarines Sur. And she represents Enyo, minor goddess of war and destruction, the companion and lover of the war god Ares. Her designer is Kelvin Fiel.
Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a ride, Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah.
Candidate number 7 is Sigrid Grace Flores. She's 25 years old from Panganiban, Catanduanes. And she represents Harmonia, the Greek goddess of harmony and concord. Her designer is Arlen Alvarez.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone.
Candidate number 8 is Keisha Claudine Chua. She's 24 years old from Legazpi, Albay. And she represents Urania, the muse of astronomy and astrology. Her designer is Justin Novato.
Let's all take a ride, Savannah.
Candidate number 9 is Krija Antoral. She is 17 years old from Naga City.
Have just begun.
She represents Eris, the Greek goddess of chaos, strife, and discord. Designer, Anjo Santos.
For the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung.
Candidate number 10 is Maria Lina Neri Pongoso. She's 25 years old from Iriga City. And she represents Demeter, goddess of agriculture, fertility, sacred law, and harp. Designer, Polly Lagyap. Candidate number 11, Paula Ortega. She's 22 years old from Ligao City, Albay. And she represents Hera, goddess of goddesses, women, and marriage. Married to Zeus and known as Queen of the Gods. Designer, Harold Borlado. Candidate number 12 is Denise Morog, 21 years old from Catanduanes. And she represents Hestia, goddess of the hearth, home, architecture, domesticity, family, and the state. Designer, Mitch Galura.
Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land.
Candidate number 13, Jomi Luisa Arcilia, 90 years old from Naga City. And she represents Persephone, goddess of vegetation and spring and queen of the underworld. Designer, Victor Peña. Candidate number 14 is Julia Nouvelle Gonowan, 21 years old from Iriga City. And she represents Athena, goddess of wisdom, poetry, art, and war strategy. Daughter of Zeus and born from his forehead fully grown, wearing battle armor. Designer, Mark James Portugal. Candidate number 15 is Lyra Veltes, 20 years old from Tabaco City. And she represents Thames, ancient Greek Titaness and goddess of divine order, law, natural law, and custom. Designer, Caramba Bueno. Candidate number 16 is Maria Kaila Magallanes, 17 years old from Ragay, Camarines Sur. And she represents Nike, goddess of victory, known as the winged goddess of victory. Designer, Ariel Agasa.
We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land.
Candidate number 17 is Angelita Marasigan, 21 from Daet, Camarines Norte. And she represents Blizo, ancient Greek prophet goddess who was known as the protector of mariners, sailors, and fishermen. Designer Aga Rino. Candidate number 18 is Azucena de Cederia Quintana, 18 from Naga City. And she represents Circe, a goddess of magic who transformed her enemies or those that insulted her into beasts. Designer Nino Yuson. Candidate number 19 is the Rosa Maria Kennedy, 20 from Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. And she represents Iris, Greek goddess of the rainbow and messenger of the gods. She is also known as one of the goddesses of the sea and the sky. Designer Ariel Alvarez. Candidate number 220 is Trisha Georgia Aganan, 19 from Naga City. And she represents Electra, goddess of storm clouds. Designer Anjo Santos.
Let's go back to when we were young. On the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were sown. Kids across the lane. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah.
Wow, indeed. Our candidates are truly majestic. Am I right? Really, really they are. And indeed, this search for Miss Bicolandia 2017 is a search of beauty and personality, wit and identity to represent the contemporary Bicolana. And of course, let's give a round of applause to the designers, the Bicolana designers, for showing their creativity and craftsmanship in making those costumes. Thank you so much. Amazing Bicolano talents indeed. And before we move on, I'd like to acknowledge Honorable Vidal Castillo and also the former governor of Kiwanis International, Philippine Luzon District and undefeated municipal mayor of Pulangi Albay, Honorable Rafael Law. Hi, sir. Good evening. All right. Right now, I'm really excited as we anticipate for the swimsuit and gown competition. But I'm pretty sure these judges in front of me are having difficult task in choosing the best of the best tonight. And I'd like to know personally their thoughts and expectations about this fashion show. So I'd like to ask some of the judges. Where should I start? Here, to Miss Tess Velasquez. Hi, Miss Tess. Good evening. Ang napakagandang Miss Tess. Good evening. Good evening, ma'am. So you've seen our candidates in their fashion show, in their goddess reborn attire. So what can you say about the candidates?
Yes, they are all beautiful. Yeah, truly Bicolanas are beautiful.
Yes, as you are, ma'am. Thank you so much. And how about Doc Divina Gracia? So I've asked Miss Tess about the candidates. Now, I'd like to know about their what they're wearing for tonight. How about that?
The designs were very original, very creative. It was the contestants were very elegant.
Thank you so much. And another question. How about... All right, to our chairman of the board. Hi, sir. Good evening. Hi, sir. So, what are your expectations for tonight? Because you've seen our ladies in their first segment, The God is Reborn. We still have the swimsuit competition and the gown parade. What are your expectations about them, about this show?
Actually gonna be hard for the judges.
All right, thank you so much, sir. All right, thank you so much for sharing your thoughts. Okay, so let me again reiterate to you that tonight's scores only comprise of 50%, and then the other 50% will be announced, of course, on the pageant night, and it's gonna be on September 6th at JMR Coliseum. So once again, for the criteria for judging, for the swimsuit and evening gown, the beauty of face is 50%, beauty of figure is 20%, the poise and personality is 15%, the carriage is 15%, a total of 100%. And for the best designer for the evening gown, the originality and craftsmanship is 50%, the design is 30%, comfort and appropriateness is 20%, a total of 100%. Now it's high time to give you back our equally beautiful and stunning candidates in a segment that showcases their moves in sexy strides and turns in a sexy outfit. This is the Miss Bicolandia 2017 Preliminary Swimsuit Parade.
Looking around and there's beauty everywhere, up and down and round and round. I'm looking around and there's beauty
Candidate number 1 is 21 years old from Catanduanes. She stands 5 feet and 5.5 inches tall. She measures 33 and a half, 24 and a half, and 34. Candidate number 1 is Hannah Leakino. Candidate number 2 is 19 years old from Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. She stands 5 feet and 6 inches tall. She measures 34, 26, 36. Candidate number 2 is Inel Delfino. Candidate number 3 is 20 years old from Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. Stands 5 feet and 4.5 inches tall. She measures 32, 26, 34. Candidate number 3 is Sandra Vivo. Candidate number 4 is 25 years old from Daet, Camarines Norte. She stands 5 feet and 5 inches tall. She measures 32, 27, 36. Candidate number 4 is Febelin Peña. Candidate number 5 is 22 years old from Magarao, Camarines Sur. Stands 5 feet and 5 inches tall. She measures 30 and a half, 25, 34 and a half. Once again, candidate number 5 is Maria Angela Rodrigo. Candidate number 6 is 22 years old from Tigaon, Camarines Sur. She measures 34, 27, 34. Stands 5 feet and 5 inches tall. Candidate number 6 is Elaine Pascual. Candidate number 7 is 25 years old from Catanduanes. Stands 5 feet and 5 inches tall. She measures 34, 26, 34. Once again, candidate number 7 is Sigrid Grace Flores. Candidate number 8 is 24 years old from Legazpi, Albay. Stands 5 feet and 6 inches tall. She measures 31, 25 and a half, and 37 and a half. Once again, candidate number 8 is Keisha Claudine Chua. Candidate number 9 is 17 years old from Naga City. Stands 5 feet and 7 inches tall. She measures 31, 25, 36 and a half. Once again, candidate number 9 is Grisha Antoran. Candidate number 10 is 25 years old from Iriga City. Stands 5 feet and 9 inches tall. She measures 31, 24 and a half, 34 and a half. Once again, candidate number 10 is Maria Lina Neri Tongoso. Candidate number 11 is 22 years old from Ligao City, Albay. Stands 5 feet and 8.5 inches tall. She measures 34, 37 and a half, and 37. Candidate number 11 is Paula Ortega. Candidate number 12 is 21 years old from Catanduanes. Stands 5 feet and 7.5 inches tall. She measures 30, 25, 36. Once again, candidate number 12 is Denise Moro. Candidate number 13 is 19 years old from Naga City. Stands 5 feet and 7.5 inches tall. She measures 29, 25, 34. Candidate number 13 is Jomi Luisa Arcilia. Candidate number 14 is 21 years old from Iriga City. Stands 5 feet and 6.5 inches tall. She measures 30, 25, 33.5. Once again, candidate number 14 is Julia Novel Gonomon. Candidate number 15 is 20 years old from Tabaco City. Stands 5 feet and 5.5 inches tall. She measures 30.5, 25.5, and 34.5. Candidate number 15 is Lyra Velchez. Candidate number 16 is 70 years old from Ragay, Camarines Sur. Stands 5 feet and 4 inches tall. She measures 31, 24, 34. Candidate number 16 is Maria Kyla Magallanes. Candidate number 17 is 21 years old from Daet, Camarines Norte. Stands 5 feet and 6.5 inches tall. She measures 33, 25, 35. Candidate number 17 is Angelita Marasigan. Candidate number 18 is 80 years old from Naga City. Stands 5 feet and 5 inches tall. She measures 32, 25, 35. Candidate number 18 is Azucena Desenteria Quintana. Candidate number 19 is 20 years old from Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. Stands 5 feet and 4.5 inches tall. She measures 32, 24, 34. Candidate number 19 is Leorosa Maria Kennedy. Candidate number 20 is 19 years old from Naga City. Stands 5 feet and 4 inches tall. She measures 26.5, 25.5, and 32.5. Once again, candidate number 20 is Swisha Georgia Agana.
Round and round and round. I'm looking around and there's beauty everywhere. Up and down.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our 20 candidates at their swimsuit parade.
Moving it just right. She moving it right too. I'm looking around and there's beauty everywhere. Up and down and round and round. She got one that I like. She got one I like too. She moving it just right. She moving it right too. I'm looking around and there's beauty everywhere. Put it in the air. Looking around and there's beauty everywhere. Up and down and round and round. I'm looking around and there's beauty everywhere. Up and down and round and round.
Thank you, ladies. If they were truly a goddess in their fashion show, they are sexy and sultry goddesses in their swimsuit parade. Do you agree? A round of applause to our candidates. Thank you once again, ladies. I know that all of you have your own bed, so I know that you've checked your list once again. Tama ba? Chinek nyo ba ulit? Kasi I know there's some difference in there. Let's see. Now, allow me to join our audience as I personally have a chit and chat with you, ladies and gentlemen. So where should I start? All right. So here, hi Miss, right? Okay, so where are we? All right, Doc Gabby Doc Gabby Valenzuela is here. So, Doc Gab, what can you say about tonight's event? Tayo ka naman, sir.
Good.
Good. All right, thank you so much. How about you, Sir Brian Koo? Ladies and gentlemen, Brian Koo is here. How about you, sir? What can you say about our event?
Ayos.
Nakakatuwa lang na makasama ang ating mga sponsors. So thank you so much po for coming over tonight. Oh, how about this area? All right, where should we start? How about right over here? Hi, how are you, sir? Hi, sir. Good evening.
Baka makasuhan ka.
Ay, hindi sir. So, what can you say about the candidates, about the show, rather?
I agree with Dr. Ayos daw. Good.
With Doc Gabby. All right, thank you so much. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I know, sabi ko nga kanina, meron na kayong list of your bets. So, let me see here. All right, so, hi Sir Totoy Ku. Good evening. All right, so dito tayo. Hi, ma'am, you're so pretty tonight. May I ask if you do have your bet for tonight? So, give me like at least 3.
Siyempre po, yung Taga-Lagunoy.
Taga-Lagunoy. Alright, so you're from Lagunoy also. Alright, so meron na siyang bet. Of course, kasi taga-Lagunoy. Anyway, so, how about this area? Hi, ma'am. Good evening. Do you have someone you support for Miss Bicolandia?
Contestant number 13.
Contestant number 13. So, what can you say about tonight's event? Aside from the lady that you are supporting.
Okay lang. Okay lang.
Are you enjoying? What can you say to the ladies if you're one of the, what can you say about the ladies? What can you give them? Because of course it's gonna be on September 6th. So you also have your candidate. So ano naman masasabi mo about sa kanilang lahat? Do you think your candidate will win for on September 6th? Siguro. Okay, so thank you so much. Okay. So before we move on, I'd like also to acknowledge Honorable Ray Rentoy. He's here. Thank you so much for coming over. And also the swimsuit of our ladies, of the candidates, is sponsored by the DR Swim by Joms Ramos. Palakpan naman natin po siya. Alright. Let me also acknowledge our sponsors that are here. So we have Coca-Cola, Smart Telecom, Globe Telecom, True Money, Walmart, Petron, Generica Drugstore, Big's Diner, Bicol Isarog, PLDT, Sutherland, Lemoyne Incorporated, Mondelez Philippines, Robinson's Place Anaga, Moraville Hotels, and Carmen Hotel. So ladies and gentlemen, our sponsors will be choosing their own or their own winner for our corporate award. So these are the sponsors that present here. So thank you so much for coming over. And I know you do have your winners already. Am I right? All right. So, once again, I'd like to remind everyone for clarification that we're gonna be, the total score for tonight is 50% and another 50% will be awarded on September 6th at the JMR Coliseum. Also, once again, for the criteria, the swimsuit and the evening gown, the beauty of face, 50%, beauty of figure, 20%, poise and personality, 15%. Carriage is 15%, a total of 100%. Now for the best designer for evening gown, originality and craftsmanship is 50%, design is 30%, comfort and appropriateness is 20%. Ladies and gentlemen, kanina, nag-judge na po yung ating, na-judge na yung mga designers natin. We did have our pre-judging for the gowns that our candidates are gonna be wearing for our next segment. So thank you so much, judges, for giving us your time. Thank you so much for coming. And also,
There's beauty everywhere, up and down and round and round.
I'd like to
There's beauty
thank also the
down and round and round.
the production for tonight. Thank you so much.
She got one I like too. She moving it just right. She moving it right too. I'm looking around.
All right. While we are waiting, again, I'm gonna ask some of, I know may mga families tayo na nandito. So, hi! I'm gonna ask you, sige, nahihiya si baby girl. What's your name, baby girl? Lyra? Ikaw ba, tayo ka naman para makita. Okay, sige, nahihiya si baby girl. Lyra, ikaw ba gusto maging beauty queen someday? Yes. So nakikita mo na ba sa kanila yung idol mo? May candidate ka ba na gusto? Sige nga, pwede namin malaman.
19.
Number 19, and she wants to be a beauty queen also. So keep on dreaming, okay? So she's very tall. She's also tall. How old are you? 9. So kids nowadays are very tall. So good luck to you, Lyra, in your future endeavors, all right? So dito naman tayo. Hi, sir. Ikaw po ba ay may kasama?
Anak ko.
Anak. Sige. Ikaw po, family ka po ni candidate number?
17.
17. Ano naman yung masasabi mo po as support to your daughter? Ano naman yung masasabi mo as a father?
Lovely and beautiful.
Loving and beautiful si candidate number 17. So thank you so much, father and mother, for coming. Of course, suportado naman ang ating mga candidates ng kanilang family. So, how about, nandito na ako sa may dulo. How about, I can see familiar faces. Alright. So, dito naman tayo. Hi po. Good evening. Hello, lady. What's your name? Gia. Ikaw ba gusto mo rin maging beauty queen? You don't want? But meron kang gusto ngayon sa candidates natin? Meron ka bang nagugustuhan sa kanila? Yung nagagandahan ka talaga? Hindi alam ni Baby Gia. Alright, so if do you want to be an actress? Ayaw din. Alright, thank you so much, Baby Gia. Okay. Alright. Eto na. Maraming salamat po sa pagbigay niyo sa akin ng oportunidad na makausap ang ating mga audience. Thank you so much and for participating. So now, I'd like again to clarify everyone that tonight's scores comprise only 50% of their final scores. And then the other 50% will come from the judges in the evening of the final competition on September 6 at the JMR Coliseum. Ladies and gentlemen, eto na. Inspired by Michael Cinco's impalpable dream of Versailles, please welcome our 20 candidates in segment that showcases regal beauty and glamour, the Miss Bicolandia 2017 Evening Gown Parade.
Candidate at number 1 is Hana Lei Aquino from Catanduanes. Her designer is Louis Bagajong. Candidate number 2 is Janelle Delfino from Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. Her gown is designed by Ronnie Visitacion. Candidate number 3 is Sandra Vivo from Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. Her designer is Kokoy Ebio. Candidate number 4 is Fabelin Peña from Daet, Camarines Norte. Her designer is Arles Abnami. Our candidate number 5 is Maria Angela Rodrigo from Magarao, Camarines Sur. Her designer is Ruel Velasco. Candidate number 6 is Elaine Pascual from Tigaon, Camarines Sur. Her designer is Kelvin Fiel. Candidate at number 7 is Sigrid Grace Flores from Catanduanes. Gown designer is Ariel Alvarez. Candidate at number 8 is Keisha Cluden Chua from Legazpi, Albay. Young designer is Justin Novato. Candidate at number 9 is Grisha Antoral from Naga City. Gown designer is Rosie Lee. Candidate at number 10 is Maria Lina Neri Prongoso from Iliga City. Young designer is Polly Lagyab. Candidate at number 11 is Paula Ortega from Ligao City, Albay. Gown designer is Harold Berlado. Candidate number 12 is Denise Morog of Catanduanes. Gown designer is Kokoy Ebio. Candidate number 13 is Joymi Luisa Arcilia of Naga City. Gown designer is Victor Peña. Candidate number 14 is Julia Novel Gunoan of Iriga City. Gown designer is Romel Del Valle and Alex Buena. Candidate number 15 is Lyra Velches of Tabaco City. Young designer is Polly Lagyab. Candidate number 16 is Maria Kyla Magallanes of Ragay, Camarines Sur. Gown designer is Ariel Agasa. Candidate number 17 is Angelita Marasigan of Daet, Camarines Norte. Gown designer is Aga Rio. Candidate number 18 is Azucena Desideria Quintana of Naga City. Gown designer is Maria Luisa Tuazon. Candidate number 19 is Leorosa Maria Kennedy of Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. Gown designer is Mr. Ariel Alvarez. Candidate number 20 is Trisha Georgia Ganan of Naga City. Gown designer is Rose Lee. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our candidate and their long gown parade.
gowns. A round of applause to our candidates, ladies and gentlemen. True enough, the royalties are portrayed in evening gowns. So, thank you so much for that. And once again, wag nating kalimutan, thank you to all the designers who made their gowns. Let's give them a round of applause, please. And you know what, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be awarding our best in attire or Goddess Reborn attire tonight. And of course, the swimsuit and the best in gown will be announced on September 6th at 8 p.m. at the JMR Coliseum. So ladies and gentlemen, before I announce the winner for tonight, or the winners rather, we'd like to thank, of course, our sponsors: Coca-Cola, Smart Telecom, Globe Telecom, True Money, Walmart, Petron, Generica Drugstore, Big's Diner, Bicol Isarog, PLDT, Sutherland, Almoyan Incorporated, Mundel's Philippines, Robinson's Place Naga, Moraville Hotels, and Carmen Hotel. I hope you ladies and gentlemen have chose your corporate winners. I know it's gonna be a hard task also to you. Sir Brian, how about you? Of course, Sir Brian here is for the Bicol Isarog, the official bus of the Miss Bicolandia candidates are using for this year's search. As always, thank you so much, Sir Brian, and to all the sponsors and donors for this search. And of course, while they are checking the awards or the winners for tonight, I'd like once again to invite everyone to please watch on September 6th at 8 p.m. at the JMR Coliseum for the final night of Miss Bicolandia 2017. All right. We'll be choosing top 3. For the best in Goddess Reborn attire, we'll be awarding the second runner-up, first runner-up, and of course, the best in Goddess Reborn attire. So I'll start with the best in Goddess Reborn attire, second runner-up.
Presenting the award for the second runner-up, we have Attorney Jojo Gaite, Councilor Rayan Rentoy, and Councilor Buddy Del Castillo.
Now for the best in Goddess Reborn attire, second runner-up, our winner is candidate number number 15. Our best in Goddess Reborn attire will receive 3,000 pesos.
Candidate number 15 represents Themis, the ancient Greek Titaness and goddess of divine order, law, natural law, and custom.
All that we kept between us, whispers in the
Congratulations and thank you. Our best in Goddess Reborn attire, first runner-up.
Presenting the award for the first runner-up, once again, we would like to request Attorney Jojo Gaite, Councilor Vidal Castillo, and First Lady Farah Bongat.
Our best in Goddess Reborn attire, first runner-up is candidate number candidate number 11.
Candidate number 11 represents Hera, goddess of goddesses, women, and marriage, married to Zeus and known as Queen of the Gods.
Our best in Goddess first runner-up will receive 7,000 pesos. Congratulations, number 11.
all that we kept between
And now, for our last award, the Best in Goddess Reborn attire.
Presenting the award for the Best in Goddess Reborn attire, would like to request Councilor Sunny Ranyola and Everett Olivan, the chairman of the board.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, who is your bet for the Best in Goddess Reborn attire? Sino? I'd like to hear that number. All right, you do have your bets. All right, our Best in Goddess Reborn attire is candidate number... Candidate number 8.
Candidate number 8, Keisha Cludin Chua. Keisha Cludin Chua represents Urania, the muse of astronomy and astrology.
Our Best in Goddess Reborn attire will receive 15,000 pesos. Thank you, sirs. And congratulations to our winners for tonight. That concludes the special program for tonight. Let's give a big hand to our winners, ladies and gentlemen. And also to the Exicom and the City Government of Naga. Thank you so much. And wag nating kalimutan to all the donors and sponsors for this year search for Miss Bicolandia 2017. Palakpakan naman natin sila. Thank you so much. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I am inviting all of you to please watch their pageant night on September 6, 2017 at 8 p.m. at JMR Coliseum. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Barbie saying thank you and good night.
Candidates would like to request our candidates to please remain on stage for the photo ops together with Miss Bicolandia 2017 Executive Committee. And also would like to request our Board of Judges.
Silence was too deafening. So come and revive me. Can't feel my heartbeat.
We would like to request the Executive Committee of the Miss Bicolandia Beauty Pageant, the Chairman, City Councilor Jose Rañola, Vice Chairman, Mr. June Mungoso, the members, First Lady Farah Bongat, Mr. Richard Tan Rocha, Mr. Mike Pawig, Ms. Rai Rentoy, Ms. Jenny Harris, Attorney Raquel Vergara. So please join our candidates on stage. We would like to request the representative of Mondelez, representative from Mondelez, Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, also our candidate will receive also a gift back from Lamoyan Corporation, maker of Happy Toothpaste.
Everything was the same, one color was just like the others. An assembly routine, my memories were all black and white. Till I stopped overthinking, decided to draw back the curtain. And I cleared all the cobwebs and began
Thank you very much, Mondelez.
to come and revive me. I can't feel my heartbeat, it's just me.
Once again, thank you very much, Mondelez Philippines and Lamoyan Corporation, maker of Happy Toothpaste. Once again,
Now I